and welcome to Elevance Consultancy. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: obtaining a business visa in a foreign country. Obtaining a business visa in a foreign country can be a complex process, as the requirements and procedures vary from one country to another. It's important to research the specific requirements of the country you plan to visit and start the application process well in advance. Here is a general guide to help you navigate the process. Determine the visa type. First, identify the type of business visa you need. Common categories include business visitor visa for short-term business meetings, conferences, and negotiations. Work visa for foreign nationals who will be employed by a local company. Investor visa for individuals looking to invest or start a business in the host country. Entrepreneur visa for those starting a new business in the host country. Research visa requirements. Visit the official website of the foreign country's embassy or consulate in your home country. Look for detailed information on the specific requirements for the business visa you're applying for. Common requirements include passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your intended stay. Completed visa application form. Passport-sized photos meeting the country's specifications. Letter of invitation from a host company or organization in the foreign country. Proof of financial means to support yourself during your stay. Travel itinerary, including flight reservations. Proof of accommodation arrangements. Health insurance coverage, if required. Prepare supporting documents. Gather all necessary documents according to the country's requirements. Ensure that your documents are up to date and translated into the official language of the host country if necessary. Apply for a visa. Depending on the country, you may need to apply for the visa through the embassy or consulate, online, or via a visa processing center. Pay the required application fee and submit your application along with all supporting documents. Attend an interview, if required. Some countries may require an in-person interview as part of the visa application process. Be prepared to answer questions about the purpose of your visit, your ties to your home country, and your travel plans. Wait for processing. Visa processing times vary from country to country. Check the estimated processing time on the embassy's or consulate's website. It's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date to account for any delays. Attend biometrics or medical examination, if required. Some countries may require applicants to undergo biometrics, fingerprints, photograph, or a medical examination. Be sure to follow any instructions provided by the consulate. Pay visa fee. Once your visa is approved, you will likely need to pay a visa issuance fee before receiving the visa sticker in your passport. Collect your visa. Once your visa is issued, collect it from the embassy or consulate. Check the visa to ensure that all information is accurate. Comply with visa conditions. Be aware of the conditions and limitations of your business visa. Ensure you do not overstay your visa or violate any terms of your stay. Remember that visa requirements and processes can change, so always consult the official website of the host country's embassy or consulate and consider seeking assistance from Elevance Consultancy if needed. Planning ahead and staying organized will help ensure a smooth application process for your business visa. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel and business-related content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we will do our best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.